In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually add the time tracking in Hubstaff. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go in the right-hand side menu, click on Timesheets over here, and then inside Timesheets, you should be able to now see View and Edit. Whenever you click on that to actually manually add time tracking, click on Add Time at the right-hand side, the blue button, and then here you basically want to select the project you want to be working on, so the organization, I'm going to click on that, and then the to-do over here, of course, should be whatever one you have, and then here you can basically just select and put in and manually add time tracking. Okay, so you could go ahead and put in the time span from 2. You can of course change that however you want to change it, and then here you can also do if you want it to be billable or not, and then here you want to basically add the reason for this time entry, so it can be whatever you want to do. I'm going to do other right now, and then you can explain that. You could also add on notes, and then whenever you are basically happy with whatever you've written in here, you can click on the save button and you've successfully done it. Okay, so that's how you can basically manually add time tracking in Hubstaff. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.